You don't need more subscribers to make money on YouTube. You do not need to go viral, nor you ever need hundreds of thousands of views. And yet, most small channels are doing all of that chasing and still making zero. That tells me the problem isn't effort. The problem is the game you're playing. Here's what I see constantly. Someone starts a YouTube channel. They watch every how to grow a YouTube channel video they can find. They post constantly for 6 months. They optimize their titles, thumbnails, descriptions, and after all that, maybe 200 views, maybe a few hundred subscribers, and zero money made. Then they quit and they tell themselves, YouTube doesn't work for small channels. But it's not a YouTube problem, it's a strategy problem. I've studied hundreds of channels under 5,000 subscribers that are pulling 1,000, 2,000, and even $10,000 a month. And what separates them from people who grind for a year and make nothing isn't talent. It's not luck. It's not even content quality. It's three things: the niche, the monetization model, and the system. And if you get these three things right, a small channel can generate serious money. And if you get them wrong, you can have a 50,000 subscriber channel and still be broke. I'm going to break down all of these three things right now. So stay with me, because the middle section is where most people miss entirely. Now, most of the people pick a niche based off what their passion is about. And I get it, passion matters, but passion doesn't pay your bills. But advertisers do. Here's what nobody tells you. YouTube ad revenue, that means your RPM, varies wildly by a niche. A gaming niche might earn you from $1 to $2 per thousand views. A finance or a business niche can earn you from 8 to even 12 and to even 20 or more dollars per 1,000 views. That means with the same 10,000 views, one channel makes $15 and the other can make $150. The same grind, but 10 times more money. So that means that you don't have a views problem, but you have a niche problem. High RPM niches include personal finance, investing, insurance, SaaS software, business tools, real estate, legal. These are the niches that advertisers are paying 10, 20, and sometimes $50 per thousand views, because the audience has more money and intent. So before you worry about frequency of the video or video length, figure out the niche that actually pays. Let's move on. So here's brutal truth about AdSense. You need to scale it to make it your primary income. For most small channels, that takes years. But here's what small channels have figured out early. The real money comes from three layers. So first would be affiliate revenue, recommending tools, software, products that your audience wants to buy. Low effort, high return, if the niche is right. Second would be sponsorships. Brands don't care how much subscribers you have. They care about your audience building intent. A 2,000 subscriber channel in a finance niche can charge more than 50,000 subscribers channel in a lifestyle niche. And the last layer would be your own offer. A course, a community, a service. This is where the real leverage is. One video could drive a viewer to a $97 product. And that's not AdSense math. That's the real business math. So that means that channels making money in 2026 aren't waiting for YouTube to pay them. They are building offers, and YouTube is just for the traffic. So stop treating YouTube like a platform and start treating it like an acquisition machine. Everyone talks about positioning consistently. Show up, stay consistent. And yes, that's the part of it. But consistency without a system is just noise. The channels that actually convert viewers into income, they have a funnel. So I gave you a basic funnel type of idea. So first, on top of the funnel, there's a video that gathers viewers, and the viewer turns into a lead, and eventually they can turn into a customer. Every video has a purpose. Either it attracts cold traffic, warms them up, or converts them. They're not just positioning and hoping. They know. This video is the top of the funnel, this video builds trust, and this drives the click. And critically, they're tracking the converts and not just views. The channels with 1,000 subscribers making $8,000 a month aren't lucky. They engineer it. The shift. So let me give you the honest picture of where the YouTube is right now. So competition is higher, AI content is flooding the platform, generic tips and tricks videos are dying, and attention is getting harder to hold. But there's a flip side, and this is actually good news. Niche authority content is winning harder than ever because viewers are overwhelmed with generic content. When someone finds a channel that speaks directly to a specific problem, they stay, they subscribe, and they buy. The old game was to grow big and then monetize, and the new game is to go deep into a high value niche, build trust fast, and monetize early. So basically, small channels have an advantage here. You can niche down in ways that a 500,000 subscriber channels generalists can't. Now look, I could keep going, but honestly, the thing that moves the needle for most people isn't the information. It's having the right niche, the right framework, and people around them that are actually doing this with them. And that's exactly where I build freedom through YouTube. Inside the community, I share what I call Nicheful, a curated list of proven high RPM niches, the kind pulling from free to 9 and even to $15 plus RPM, and is updated weekly, not with random ideas, but researched, validated niches with real income earning potential. And also, I do competitor breakdowns. I've gone deep into 16 plus channels across different niches, breaking down exactly what they're doing, how they're monetizing, and what you can model. No guessing, no starting from zero, and if you're serious about building something real on YouTube and not just posting and hoping, the link is in the description. Come check it out. So let me leave you with this. The channels that fail on YouTube, they fail because they treat it like a content game. Post more, edit better, thumbnail harder. The channels that win, they treat it like a business from day one. Right niche, right model, and the right system. That's not a secret, but most people don't act on it because it changes how they see YouTube entirely. So the question is, are you playing the right game? If the answer is no, now you know where to start. Drop a comment below with your niche right now. I read every single one of them. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post 2 videos every single week sharing valuable information, breaking down the systems, the niches, and the strategies. So yeah, that's all in this video, and see you in the next one.